Here we have a poorly wired GFCI. Does not react to the ground test and does not give continuity to the circuit until the next electrical output. Now I will show you how to correct this problem. The first thing is to turn off the circuit breaker that gives it power. Be very careful we uninstall the GFCI. GFCIs are safety devices that shut off power when they detect ground faults. GFCI outlets are used in kitchens, bathrooms, garages, and any place where electrical devices may come into contact with water. Getting into the topic, if you look at the back of the GFCI, it has some indications of the correct position of the cable. In this, it indicates that the energized line must go in the upper position. It is also indicating the position of the hot or live line and the neutral line. After uninstalling the GFCI, we turn on the circuit breaker again. To use a current meter, identify the energized cable to place it in the correct position. I have to say that the GFCI has a mechanism inside that only works by connecting the cables correctly, also allowing energizing other conventional power outlets, and at the same time protected by the GFCI. This means that all electrical outlets connected in a chain coming out the primary energy from the GFCI will also be protected from ground discharge. Already connected the cables correctly, you will see how the ground discharge protection is activated and also transmits the energy to the next electrical outlet net.